and here are my friends Ethan, Kyle, and Ava. And this is a gardening video with mountain lions. Okay, let's start.
Thought this would be a good place to put my impatiens. If we were to put impatiens around here, come there, those would look nice alone in the shade. Probably some hostas here. Heck, I'm piss pots. I'm gonna shoot their butts. They're disturbing me when I make my gardens. Where the fuck do you guys go? Get out of your ass. One down. One Holy shit. Alright. I got my gun reloaded. It could come from anywhere. I'm gonna head it out.